Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to restore streaks on Snapchat. First, you have to make sure that you are using the latest version of your Snapchat application. The way users restore their Snap streaks on Snapchat is changing. One of the app's biggest draws is the well-liked function that lets users keep track of how many days they've changed snaps with one another. Recall that the platform introduced Snapstreaks as part of the Snapchat 2.0 update in 2016. Today, people all across the world enjoy keeping up strong Snapstreaks with friends and family. They occasionally lose their Snapstreak, though, because they are unable to send snaps. So the question is how to restore Snapchat streak. So first, launch your Snapchat application, go to your settings, and then once you're here, you have to scroll down and look for I need help. Okay, in the search bar, you can type here I lost my Snapchat streak. Okay, and then tap this one, the first one that appears here. So as you can see, I lost my Snap streak. How do I restore it? You just have to scroll down and you can click this X here, tap this one, and then click this article that answer my question and then click submit. Now you have to scroll down and tap this contact us, tap this one. And then as you can see, we have here submit a request. You just have to tap this I lost my snap streak. Okay, click this one or tap this one. And then next, you just have to tap this how do I restore my snap streak. So once you tap this one, it will take you directly to a form in which you need to answer some questions like your username, email, okay, also your mobile. Make sure that all of the information here is correct. Also, you need to type the device, include brand, model, and model series, friend's username if you have. When did you start having this issue? You need to specify that. How long was your snap streak before it expired? Also, but this one is optional as you can see. And then, did you see the icon? This one is optional also. And then you can go to your description and you can type your specific concern that please help me. I lost my snap streak. Help me to restore it. Thank you so much. And then you just have to wait for the customer service team to respond and help you with this concern. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.